so noisy that it might scare her out of the tree.
Good point, Sky. Any other ideas?
Oh, sorry,
if I
I
could
just
get on
did
that
that.
building's roof,
Anyway,
then I could fling myself into the
so
tree and
today
bring her
in
down
this
to
video,
safety.
I'll be making how I make country balls. So first, we're gonna want to think of a good flag. In this video, I'll be making the flag of Albania. It's not that hard to make.
I'll show you who's not clumsy. Here I come,
You're gonna want to find a good shade that suits it.
Check this out.
Like this.
Oh, that didn't work. It was a good try, Marshall. Anyone else have any ideas? Maybe Rubbles
Next,
can reach the cap.
you're going to want, if you're going to make the flag of Albania, you are going to want to find the coat of arms. Although it's not going to screen share, so. Anyway,
Let's see. We can use this as an extension.
Albania.
There you go, Rubble. Now give it a try.
There, flag of Albania.
Perfect. Now hop on. Great job.
Of arms Albania.
Great job, Paw Patrol. We saved the kitty stuck in the tree. Let's go back to the lookout and get some puppy trees. Oh no, what happened to Chicoletta?
Okay,
Guys,
so if you're gonna copy coat of arms, it might look a little different.
I only know one bad guy who would stoop so low. Romeo. I wonder what he's up to.
You need to, that's what, this is another reason you'll want to go into paint.net. Copy the coat of arms. Paste it. But it's gonna end up like that. So what you want to do is press this little button right there. Press make sticker. And it will make a sticker. That will happen. You're gonna want to copy and you're gonna want to copy what color it
Time to
is.
climb in and start taking over the world.
So doing that, anyway, you're gonna want to as you see here, it might take a while because
Soon all the colors of the world will be mine.
angle. Anyway, I don't think Albania is working that well, so we'll have to settle with Latvia.
Oh my goodness.
I know this isn't exactly screen
Let me get a closer
Latvia.
look.
This is why we
It
should.
appears to be Romeo in a giant
And this is a lesson. If your thing doesn't work because of a certain reason, you can either try again or make a new country ball. We don't have that much time because YouTube. And I have a class after this.
building, Paw
By
Patrol.
that I mean like 2 hours from now. But still, if you don't like what you did,
Lookout,
press
it's
undo.
destroyed. What are we gonna do? We need to find the robot's weakness. How are we gonna do that without the lookout? Guys, maybe I can help. Check it out. Wow, it's a giant lookout tower. That's right. Maybe I can build it and you guys can stop Romeo.
Anyway,
It's worth a shot.
now there's one thing you're
Check
missing.
out how huge
The
this Paw Patrol
eyes.
tower is.
If you want to get good
It's over
eyes,
2.5 feet tall. It plays tons of cool Paw Patrol phrases. A launch pad for the pups.
but I highly recommend you first copy this onto paint.net.
It even has an elevator and a slide. Let's open it up and build it.
Ignore that. And ignore that.
Here's one of the columns for the tower.
If you need to maintain, if you want to keep an aspect ratio, you can. Yes, you use the eclipse tool. Well, first you want to make an outline. Make sure to keep it at this. We're going to keep it like this, obviously would cover. If we were to keep it like that, it would also cover. This wouldn't cover. and you'd want a good,
Oh, here's the exclusive
you'd
vehicle
want a
for
good
Chase.
like pixelated
And here's the lookout's main
amount
control panel.
that you
Let's put it together.
adjust it
But first, let's check out our
slightly.
Chase and Marshall figures.
If you want to, you can move it.
Here's Marshall. He's got the classic look and is pretty cool looking. It comes with 2 pump packs for him, his water cannon, and X-ray machine. Now for Chase. Let's get him out of this baggie.
Okay, so
He's got the classic
like I
look,
said,
too.
you're gonna want to make eyes.
Their heads can swivel, and you can articulate their legs.
Most people like to make like weird
Chase
eyes
has a
on.
smooth pup pack
Okay, wait,
and his
so on
classic
Latvia.
megaphone.
The Baltics are very confusing.
Now let's assemble the lookout.
But what's up with Balkans?
First up is Rebel's yellow launch pad. Then Chase's blue one.
You're gonna want to adjust the eyes until you have a good color.
Now for
But make
Rocky's
sure if you
green
want to
launch
move
pad.
eyes, please always use layer 2. Otherwise,
Now we'll snap
this
Marshall's
will happen
red
on
pad
your
onto the
beautiful
other.
image. You see all this erased stuff? That's what will happen on your beautiful image.
Sky's pink one is up next.
That seems good. Now
And
you
finally,
have
Zuma's orange launch
everything.
pad.
But if you want, you can make a
Now for the tower.
background. So this is what I suggest for a background. You use the
Now for my favorite
colors.
part, the slide.
First, if you want to make it, I suggest first you need to make default colors.
Here's the lookout's main deck. We just insert the control panel like this. Then snap the ceiling on. And pop in the periscope. Pretty cool.
You just press edit like that if you have other colors.
Let's snap this on top and we'll be all done.
You're gonna want
Check it out.
something
Look how awesome the new
like
lookout is. Isn't that cool? Alright guys, here's your new tower. Now go stop Romeo. Thanks so much. Pops,
You
it's
can
time for a
bold it,
rough rescue. Get suited up and meet me in
underline
the
it,
control room.
change the color.
Alright, what should we do first? We need to
94.
locate Romeo, then identify his robot's weakness. So I'll launch a scouting drone from the tower.
You're gonna also want to change a good enough font.
It
The
looks
good
like he's
thing
walking
about
down
this
downtown.
is
We're on the
you
right
can
track.
have 3
There he is, in the
D
distance.
writing instead of like
Now to find his
2D
weakness.
writing. This is what happens if you just use the boring 2D writing.
Blue Leg has an elevator right up to the robot's controls. Alright, pups, use the elevator to
It
get to
just
Romeo.
stays on
Then knock
there.
him out.
Then you have to
Paw
make it
Patrol,
2D.
on a roll.
But what's the point if you already just have 3D writing?
Chase, you're up.
Make a good angle. After you have a good enough angle, copy it onto
Your turn,
paint.net.
Marshall.
Expand the canvas size
I'm on it.
if you want to make it like that.
Check this out.
I suggest maybe around 2,500. Maintain the aspect ratio.
These paws uphold the laws. Let's dive in.
Press X and then press X, then
Green
backspace.
means go.
If you don't like the canvas size, like the one I just made, you can press crop to selection.
This pup's gotta fly.
With the Paw Patrol busy, there's no one to stop me.
Think again, Romeo. I'll put a stop to you.
Anyway, you're gonna want to do that.
Oh, that didn't work. Oh.
Ha 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 ha, told you so. Not so fast, Romeo. The Paw Patroller here. How'd you get here so fast? I thought I stopped you.
No one can stop the Paw Patrol, not even you.
By the way, if you hear any Paw Patrol in the background, Just know my little brother likes to watch it. And by that he likes to watch anything that's doing in front of him.
Look at me. Ha ha ha, you missed me.
But you probably can't hear it. I'm wearing headphones.
Come with me, Lightning.
Ah! Ew.
Guys, which leg has the elevator?
I just fell
forgot.
down.
The one that's blue.
Sort
The
of.
one like me. So, yellow. Got it. Oh no, I think I
Move
picked
it
the wrong
until
one.
a suitable
I'm
location.
trapped inside the robot. I took Lightning to the mechanic.
And if you want to make some, like a banner, there are a ton of 2D shapes.
Uh-oh, gotta die.
A crescent, like for example.
Everybody jump. I'm gonna steal your colors.
I don't know where it is. I saw it. There it is.
Orange. Blue.
You want to change the color too.
Oops. Give me a second. I'm out of ammo.
If you
Oh no, our vehicle.
solid.
Don't worry about that. He's reloading. Now's our chance. Zuma, Marshall, rescue Rubble. I'll get Romeo.
Make it 3D, then you can copy it
Here's the
easier.
elevator. Now I can get inside. Rubble, we're here to save you. It's water time, dude. Fire water cannons.
But first, you're probably going to want to
Thanks for
copy
the
down
rescue
to
pups.
this. Use the magic
Jeez, this robot's
wand.
not big enough for the both of us.
Do that.
You're right, so I'm kicking you out. Whoa!
You didn't think I'd let you fall, did you? Special delivery, one washed up bad guy.
Great work, Sky.
And
Romeo,
that's
you're
where
going to
your
jail.
text
Aw,
comes in.
man. We need to disable the robot so no one else can use it. Zuma,
Oh, wait, about the
Marshall,
text.
your water cannon should disable it if you squirt enough water on it. I've got a better idea. Pups, follow me to Adventure Bay Lake.
It won't be 3D on here. It won't
Why
be
squirt when you
3D.
can
It will
dump?
just look like 3D.
Hit it, Robo-Dog.
Choose a certain color,
Great job. The water's running
like
out.
white, for example.
We did it.
Oh wait, I don't forgot about the white. By the way, if you
Thanks for
need
taking me
to,
to the mechanic.
you can change
All people are
palettes.
spending the day relaxing.
Yahoo! So much fun.
Chase, Marshall, Rubble, and Rocky are playing at the fair. Sky and
These are
Zuma
the
are
default
playing video
palette.
games.
Go, Sky, go.
Look at how many coins we're getting.
Watch out for those cricks. Jump.
Whew, I made it.
Even Romeo is spending the day inside,
Son.
relaxing and watching TV.
What do you mean no?
World domination is such hard work. Time to watch the newest
Oh,
Genevieve
take back.
Playhouse video.
Hey guys, can you help me park these vehicles in this cool town today?
I just it.
Oh dear.
What are we gonna do? Maybe we can use my magic paintbrush to bring the colors back.
And now you're gonna want to make
Paintbrush.
more
Give me just what I
background.
need. Even world domination can't take a day off. If I can get my hands on the magic paintbrush, I can bring my giant Megazord to life and take over the world. It took me so long to build this giant robot, but it needs a power source. And I'll bet the Paw Patrol are hiding it away at their lookout. Time to go for a ride. I just need to set up a distraction in order to get the Paw Patrol away from the tower, so I can take their magic paintbrush. Distraction. Where can I find a distraction? Aha! I have an idea. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. You stay right there. Here we go. Don't worry, I'm not gonna hurt you. Hold still. There, gotcha. The Paw Patrol would never pass up a kitty cat rescue.
Okay, so that.
Up we go.
Press deselect. Try to find a good setting environment for a sky. Like
Now to
that.
put you in this tree. Ta-ta. Oh no, I hear a cat in distress. I better check it out. A cat stuck in a tree. I better call the Paw Patrol. I'll use my cat in distress mission card for this one. Pups,
There's a
cat
lot
stuck in a
of
tree by
white
the
in
post
here.
office. Assemble
You
the team
don't
immediately
want
so we
the
can save
extra
her.
white space.
Ryder needs us. We're on
You
our way.
can
Help me, player
make
one
it
and
look
player
like
two.
it
We're my
blends
only hope.
in.
Oh no, it's a dragon.
Watch out.
Don't worry, I'll use my ID.
Great job. He's almost done for.
I got this. He's expired.
And then you can color.
Oh no, he got you. Aw, man. Maybe we'll get him next time.
Hey, Ryder's calling. He needs our help. Let's go.
Let's dive in.
Let's take to the sky. After I take the elevator.
And if you need to crop the selection, something, this is how you do it.
Here I come.
My distraction worked.
Anyway, this is how you make a country ball. With
Now,
background,
where could they be hiding it?
of course.
Is it over here? How about
Now let's save it as something like that.
Aha! I found the magic paintbrush. Now to bring my Megazord to life.
Wait, no, I have a good idea.
Quiet.
Oh yeah, this is from a fun game we played in my school. Like one of the answers was Indiana.
Now to take this back to my
Everybody
headquarters.
knew that was probably not going to be a correct answer. So, we just made a fun joke out of it. Anyway, goodbye.